gentlemen, please welcome the Dreamz Unlimited.
क्या बोला था? क्या क्या चला हीरो? साहब आप देख सकते हैं कुछ है देख लो साहब देखती से हमको कुछ भी नहीं आता है बोलो सुबह जाना मुझे जाना लंगो जाना कचा जाना अब आती है ना मशीन है ऐसा करो सब मिला के 10 रुपए का बता दो साहब ये 10 रुपए का नहीं मिलता तो 5 रुपए का बताओ साहब क्या मजाक कर रहा है साहब ये साहब मिला के 50 रुपए हो गए अरे सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया बहुत भूख लग रहा है लगा हाँ ठीक है 3 मिला के मैं 10 रुपए से देता हूँ चल चल बनाओ ठीक है ना अच्छा साहब तो आप कहाँ से हो चाइना से आपको आसाम बताए आसाम आसाम उस आसाम का सामने में है नागालैंड मणिपुर मेरी बॉक्सिंग मणिपुर में असम में है नागालैंड में है सब लोग अलग अलग रहते हैं नोटिस बोर्ड है बच्चा ने भी स्कूल में ज्योग्राफी नहीं सिखाया बचपन में स्कूल नहीं गए ना तो अब स्विट्जरलैंड कैसा पता देखता हूँ सुनता हूँ फिल्म में पिक्चर में शाहरुख खान जल्दी लो साहब आप क्या करता है पुलिस है हमारे जगह में कॉन्स्टेबल मेरा वाइफ को हम दिल्ली घूमने के लिए आया है यहाँ पे हाँ इसलिए आपका हिंदी बहुत अच्छा है हम लोग का जगह में जो ऐसा बोल रहे हैं आपका जाना हो गया ये क्या है जाना है ये कौन खाएगा हमारा पेट में खालेगा ना सुकून में खालेगा अरे साहब 10 रुपए का उल्टा मिलता है ना थोड़ा खा लो हमारे जगह में 10 रुपए से बहुत ज्यादा मिल रहा है साहब अपने जगह वहाँ मिलता होगा लेकिन यहाँ पर ऐसा इतना ही मिलता है मेरा 10 रुपए दीजिए पहले डालो उसके बाद पैसा देगा ऐसा उंगली मत देगा ये अच्छी बात नहीं है क्यों नहीं दिखाएगा दोनों भी दिखाएगा नहीं डालूंगा तो क्या कर लेगा तू मेरे को पूछ दो क्या कर लेगा तू हाँ कहाँ से चले आते हैं और यहाँ तक नहीं डालूंगा क्या कर लेगा डालू ना
Yeah, it's okay. Your father, he can come. Even if it's alone. Yeah, I'll take care of him. Right now, I'm just outside Sarojini here. It's some noise here and some idiots there quarreling here. It's my father. Hold on. क्या कर रहे हो अपने?
चेन्नई में बम किया से
भाई जी क्या हुआ?
मेरा जाना कहाँ के पैसा देने का इंतजार कर रहा है नहीं देगा खलो
बाबा मुझे खुदा करो तू अच्छा भैया कितना हुआ?
10 रुपया बक्स का दिवे
अभी भी चुप तो भैया उनकी तरफ से मैं माफी मांगता हूँ हाँ 20 रुपया ये आप रखो 20 रुपया
10 रुपया बस तो अगले बार सामान लो ये बुढ़ा है इसलिए मैंने हाथ नहीं उठाया बुढ़ा है
भैया माफ कर दो ये यहाँ पे पहली बार आया है और वो screw से भी थोड़ा ढीला है इसलिए
तो अस्पताल जाके इलाज करवा उसको वो स्क्रू टाइट करवाओ स्क्रू टाइट
कोई कुदा चुपचाप कोई ना भैया हो गया आप चले जाओ प्लीज माया करके चले जाओ
क्या ना
अब नहीं भी तो क्यों सब जगह तो नागालैंड मिसने ना बाबी भी ना इन्हें कोई मानो कि लोग कैसे के झगड़ा करो ले please behave yourself this is not our place
इतना कम चारा पुल खाएगा वो भी हमारा जगह में एक्स्ट्रा खाओ लो ऐसा पुलिस में खाल रही हो ये प्लेस बनो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते हमको
मुझे लगा जगह तो yes they agree to us yes but not because they respect us but because they are outsiders there and they don't want any trouble from us that's why they do it itu aso Baba tadi they at our place mula jagah di apni kini ka attitude ko ase don't itu same to edi megna to same attitude to tagi hoina itu na babi na here we are outsiders we should be respectful
हमारे जगह में तो होने से ना ठीक से राम खुला होने चाहिए था I make over him
Ay, Baba, sabi na, ito attitude lang kayo pwesto kami. See, we cry about racism, discrimination, mistreatment in the cities, but we don't reflect on our own behavior back in our home, how we treat them. See, we are equally racist, but we don't want to admit that. Baba, now, if you want others to respect you, to treat you good, we must first learn to respect them. There's a saying, when in Rome, do as the Romans do.
What? Rome was not built in it. Outsider, inside everything. My place, his place, their place. What? We all live together under India. Same currency, same Aadhaar card, same flag, same national anthem song. I know we look little different. Some like this, some like this. So little different. Heritage culture different, but we all India. All of us.
Baba ke samjhawale koshish karo to it's like talking to a wall.
Ama boy, where go?
Shopping करने जैसे आई देखो
4 days. Tomorrow going back. Your mom, morning to evening always shopping. Me waiting. Sex joke or what?
all of patience like even have patience remember a happy wife is a happy life
A happy wife, husband but it's empty. Remember, hungry men always angry men.
You should come to Delhi sometimes, not for shopping. 뭐 가게 붙이고래서 상대에 대해 뭐 싸도 like the Honey, it's already dark.
Dice, apa chasma nikalo. मुझे शॉपिंग होगा और जाना चाहिए जाओ जाके शॉपिंग करो ना क्यों ना जल्दी आपका 3 Main Sarojini Market big shopping mall where po? Yang liste na. बहुत shopping करने के लिए मन है ना सरोजिनी मार्केट को आपका कमरे में ढालो और नागालैंड लेकर next time दिल्ली जाने के प्लान करो नहीं लेकर जाएगा हम अगला घूमिंग आएगा
Ama, Husi, enough. Imani Kuribi. You guys have flight early morning tomorrow. You guys have to take your bags too or late hours. And my roommate's dead father, he's also coming today. So I want you guys to meet before you guys go. Chal.
Oh, roommate for the meeting. याद नहीं आया tomorrow going back where you roommate no see his face where
Me and my roommate, we only have 2 rooms. Aro, you guys need space, so I Freddy Kalapor, so for the time being. Ito kasi.
And talking about your roommate, I hope it's not a girl.
What else is a boy? Okay, if it's not a girl, then obviously it will be a boy, huh?
आजकल छोकरा में बहुत दिखता है
What's his name?
Kapoy ase.
अरे अपनी नागामंडल को ठगे ऐसे कुछ नहीं है
Nagamano is no, he's from Manipur.
আমি কিমান মাৰো এইটো কোন লগত থাকি না নিচু নাগামंडल को ठगे में कोई ना
To, tayo Manipur ba siguro likiw siya? Is there a problem?
Hey, which part of Manipur is he from? Is he from Jandil or Ukrul? Or is it Tamil Nadu? Or
your mother that side नागामंडल general knowledge all है that side heading her heart tuk starting
Kiw siya, ma? Did something happen?
Puyala ka gisasyo. It's over long time back. I'm just inquiring because I wanted to know if my son is staying. 이게 갑자기 미상시고 해서.
니기 미사미시다 your mother Manipur 나가मंडल का all time lover lastly I married her because I'm more handsome
Ama brought up is now, it's all in the past. And now we're all living our own life, so forget about it now. I will kidding myself.
tell to your mother that why her heart always doesn't look okay
I don't know why we are even arguing about this. I just want to know with whom my son is staying and not about Achin.
oh kami na naman mami ikaw kaya Ashim Sim his name coming out from her own mouth Which is enough?
Well, Papa, we're getting late. Let's go. Although my roommate's father died, let's go.
But this topic no ending here. Going home again starting. Let's go.
Wind changing. I can feel the difference in the air.
Oh, Delhi का ये relation है. Inhale करने से बीमार लगेगा आप.
जाने जाते हो मुझसे दूर तेरे बिना रोज रोज मरते हैं बारिश और मोहब्बत दोनों ही बहुत यादगार होते हैं फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि बारिश में जिस्म टिक जाता है और मोहब्बत में आंखें
Hello. How can you talk of such matters? If you cannot execute that well, then you will be detained and deported. And just tell the man to give the money ready. Yes. No more Nagas. And wait for my order.
Excuse me?
Wait for my order.
Excuse me?
Yes.
Ashim, my name. Ashim.
I told you, Thailand. Then you must be Kahoe's father. Uncle Ashim, right?
What uncle? We look the same age. No uncle. Only Ashim.
Uncle, actually I'm only 27 years old. What can I say? Oh. My appearance and my age doesn't match.
And who you? Where my son?
Uncle, my name is Sa. I'm Kahoe's son. Actually, he's busy. That's why I come to pick you up.
What's your name again?
Sa.
You from what country?
Uncle, I'm from Namibia.
Africa.
Yes, uncle. Namibia is also part of Africa. No.
Eh, for us, all same, black, all African.
Uncle, welcome to Delhi. How was your flight?
Good. It's like rich Delhi. But where my son? Busy. Study?
Uncle, actually we are good business partners. So he was engaged in some client meeting. That's why I came to pick you up.
Huh? What going meeting? I sent him here. UPC coaching. No business.
Uncle, actually your son is a good businessman. He's very smart and intelligent man. So why don't you just let him do business? And give up this UPSC coaching.
No business. Only UPC exam. IPS officer. Big dream.
Uncle, that might be your dream. But Kahoe might also have another dream. So why don't you just let him pursue? Right? Why don't you just let him pursue the business dream?
No. His dream, my dream, same dream. You two, what business?
Uncle, we run call center.
Call center?
Yes, uncle, we run call center business together.
Look, mister. You coming from Africa, here in India. You trying to scam people. And risking my son. You'll be in a big trouble.
No, uncle, you are getting me wrong. Let me explain.
No explain, no. Conversation. Keep the money ready. No more, no less. You think Uncle foolish? No, Uncle brain very sharp.
Uncle, please listen to me, oh. The conversation that you had over the phone. It was about our business expansion that is about to be settled in our country, Namibia. Actually, Kahoe and me business expanding, uncle. Big business.
And how you and my son become friends?
Say, uncle. Many years back, I was involved in a fatal accident. And I was planning to take on the road here in Delhi. And even though a total stranger, your son Kahoe rushed me to the hospital. And he even donated his blood. So how can I do any harm to Kahoe, uncle? Actually, I owe my life to Kahoe.
And how you start this scam center, I mean call center?
Initially, I used to run a small center. But when Kahoe joined, our business flourished and expanded, uncle. That's why I was telling Kahoe is a very good businessman, uncle. Trust me, 100% genuine we are doing business, uncle. And uncle, I'm black doesn't mean I cheat people and fraud people. Actually, not all the Africans are cheat, fraud, and liars, uncle. Please trust me.
You meet my son tonight in both the meeting at home.
Yes, 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 we may have that. But uncle, may I please now have the pleasure of taking you home so that people understand?
Let's go. Certainly, I also don't like people staring at us like this.
Please let me like it. But uncle, why did you suddenly start to talk like me?
Only talking like me.
No, uncle, this is the way I talk normally. Why are you starting talking like me?
No. You only hear I'm talking like you. No.
Then let's go home and sort it out. But uncle, where is auntie? You came alone.
She's no more. She passed away long time.
I'm sorry, uncle. Let's go home. Come, please. Come.
Seven sisters dance, don't you worry, my friend. You know together we can. Yeah, let the whole world know how I represent. We're unity rich and our culture clean. Different people side by side, living side by side, fighting the good fight, keeping peace inside. Notice India, our hearts beat as one. Notice India, our hearts beat as one. 7 stays strong under the same sun. Nagaland के एक छोटे शहर से हूँ, लेकिन सपने बड़े बड़े लेकर आया हूँ. अपने सपनों को पूरा करने आया हूँ. सपनों का शहर दिल्ली में मैं आया हूँ. मेरा दिल खुश हुआ तुम लोगों को देखकर. घर से 100 मील दूर भी होकर इधर आगे एक जैसा रह रहा है. इस प्यार और एकता को मेरा जिंदाबाद. Notice India, our hearts beat as one. 7 stays strong under the same sun. Notice India, our hearts beat as one. 7 stays strong under the same sun. Notice India, our hearts beat as one. 7 stays strong under the same sun. Notice India, our hearts beat as one. 7 stays strong under the same sun.
무시해 봐봐. Packing all done.
No done. Your mother is still doing. Hey, अभी दिल्ली जा अपनी स्टडी ग्रुपली बुताई दो. अपनी नेट कनेक्ट ला बुला से बुला ना. I send you here Delhi study, not your chicken out.
Hey 봐봐. Study도 그랬어. But 그건 너무 있다 해야지. Nagas night 거기나. Where all the Nagas come together. 또 이거는 practice 그래서 I'm practicing for that.
All that Nagas money means who?
Nagas from Manipur, Nagas from Arunachal, Nagas from Nagaland, we all come together and showcase our talents. It's a very good event where all of us come together as one. 그냥 만나가면 비시할 수도 이래. 봐봐.
Arunachal Nagas from Manipur. Good.
와. Tuesday, is there a problem there?
No. ठीक है. अच्छा है.
Honey?
What?
Zip to Bonguru Nabara, please come and help me zip this bag.
Oh, your clothes like mountain house zip clothes. Apa zip ayah ko boleh ka? Alright.
You and I want you to find a new place on the ground floor. Getting this happy back to the dance floor is not a joke.
Come on, you African tiger. I know you're strong, yeah? Uncle, welcome to Delhi.
I can feel the difference. I can feel the change.
Uncle. Moy, I'm Kakoy's roommate. How's your flight?
Good. It's like
Please, uncle, that's a good sense of humor now.
Uncle, laga baba be agina se aina no kurbe. They're uncle. They're leaving early morning tomorrow, so they're packing their bags.
नाता नाता सदा साथ रहने का भी वादा नाता जानते थे हम याद ना करेंगे तुम लेकिन इतना जल्दी भूल जाओगे अंदाजा ना था
हम अगर आपसे नहीं मिल पाते ऐसे नहीं कि हम आपको याद नहीं आते माना इस सब रिश्ते निभाया नहीं जाते लेकिन जो दिल में फंस जाती है वो निभाया नहीं जाता
20 years 20 years I will see you but you still same figure same size same smile
20 years and we still have this with you
happy times, sad times, lonely times, every time in my heart.
मारो और रोमांटिक तलक मारो क्यों स्टॉप हुआ है हम तो यहाँ पे सर्कस का चौपड़े हैं हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ नो नोटिस stop
Aya, honey na. Ikaw na yun.
full stop you do thinking coming here meeting in Delhi talking romantic and run away no never she my wife you side hero side hero means Usha Kapoor me main hero Akshay Kumar
Wait a minute. I'm a little bit confused here. Uncle Hashim, you said that your wife passed away a long time back, right? Then what is this romantic thing all about? And what connection do you have with her? And why is this uncle so mad as if he's going to...
let me explain she my wife he her all time lover planning here meeting and run away no
Well, wait. But if they love one another, then how come you are her husband and not him? I don't get this logic.
he she young time deeply my wife, we do marry, me too son up, we do coming meeting, son up, he coming suddenly kundubu giving here.
Uncle. Now I get it. But one thing I don't understand is, what is the problem of Uncle Hashim coming here? He came here to meet his son Kakoi, because Kakoi is his son, not Sino, right? Then who are all not dying anymore? I think you need to cross on here a little bit.
Yes, that's what I've been trying to tell him.
That's the point.
Thank you, Uncle. That's my pleasure.
But who you? Why you in this house? Why you interfere in family matter?
Uncle.
I think that's enough. Wishe, he's my roommate's, Kakoi's friend and business partner, Mr. Tosa. And Uncle.
Excuse me, is Sa.
Yes. Hello, Uncle Hashim, Amma. I'm sorry that things didn't work out between you two in the past. But let's not make things complicated now. We all have our life now to focus on. So, just for tonight, let us all be together, have dinner happily, and say our goodbyes tomorrow, alright?
That's a wise decision.
You're absolutely right. Very smart young man. I see your mother in you.
What, my son? He not your son, my son. Confirm me.
20 years. You stay with this man. Your father, very bad decision.
Hey, you insulting me? I'm going to insult her.
Oh, Uncle, please calm down.
What come on, what come? You know what? Where's the little mess?
Papa, who's your man?
You also change your woman now. Ono ko sa akin, hindi sa akin na iyo umato. Mahalo ka titik na iya. Dapat bisin na ako. Change now!
Enough! Wishe, killing me reminded us, yo, Papa, me. This attitude of yours towards others is not acceptable, yeah? What's the problem? For me staying with Naga, Manipuri Naga, or Arunachali Naga, or Nagaland Naga? If we help and support one another during good and bad times, that's all it matters. That's all it matters. Just because we're divided by borders, religion, politics, doesn't mean we're not brothers and sisters. We should learn to live together in harmony. In fact, we're doing that here. But it is your generation that is creating the gap. Because your understanding of things is not broad. Mom has suffered a lot just because of this same reason. Let's not make things more complicated for her. We're a small community living in a small place. We should learn to live in unity. Let us build bridges, not walls. Let
You see, even in our place, forget about this state, country, tribe, but we are known for our continuum. If we are black, then we are all called Africans. Actually, in Africa, we have so many countries. And inside that country, we have different states and different tribes. But people don't know that. For them, they just see the colors. And we don't mind it. Actually, we're so proud to be poor Africans. And you know what? All this division is just in our head. If we have love and respect for one another, then we won't be able to see any discriminations and divisions. So come. I would say come. Let us love and have respect for one another.
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm making up for it. No suspect anymore. Forgive me. I changed from today. Ashim, all problem I start sorry. Now all 30 mine out. Let's stay happily and we are brothers.
It's okay, my friend. And Lucia, I'm so sorry for being racist earlier.
I'm always okay. It happens.
My friend, this life, your wife. But next life, my wife.
My wife, whole time life, my wife.
I'm so happy that we understand each other now. So, Chalo, let's all have dinner together.
Actually, I really want to have this rumba.